Hey everyone, today we are going to embark on an exciting journey through the world of influencer marketing and learn how to wield powerful influencer marketing tools to supercharge your campaigns. Get ready to discover the key steps to amplifying your brand with the right tools. Step number 1: Unveiling the influencer marketing boom. The surge in influencer marketing represents a monumental shift in the landscape of digital advertising and consumer engagement. The driving force behind this meteoric rise lies in the fundamental human inclination towards trust and authenticity, with an astounding 92% of consumers placing immense faith in recommendations from individuals they know, and an equally significant 70% relying on the shared experiences of their peers. The power of influencer marketing becomes abundantly clear. It is this deep-seated trust that acts as the cornerstone, elevating influencer marketing from a mere trend to an indispensable strategy for brands aiming to connect with their audience on a mere or more personal and relatable level. The influencer's ability to cultivate an authentic, genuine connections with their followers paves the way for brands to leverage these relationships, tapping into a ready-made audience that values sincerity and credibility. This paradigm shift has revolutionized the way companies approach advertising, offering a dynamic platform where storytelling, relatability, and trust intersect, creating a symbolic relationship between influencers and brands that transcends traditional marketing tactics. As this phenomenon continues to evolve and adapt, it is clear that influencer marketing is not just a boom, but a pivotal element shaping the future of brand-consumer interactions in the digital era. Step number 2: The art of choosing the right influencer. Selecting the ideal influencer is an art that involves a meticulous blend of strategy, alignment, and resonance. The choice of an influencer holds unparalleled significance as it can serve as the linchpin determining the success or failure of an influencer marketing campaign. The pivotal role an influencer plays is substantiated by statistics indicating a potential upsurge of up to 200% in a campaign's profitability when the right influencer is engaged. However, the challenge lies not just in engaging an influencer, but in optimizing and harnessing their influence to its fullest potential. The crux of this endeavor hinges on the strategic utilization of cutting-edge influencer marketing tools. These tools act as a compass, guiding brands through the complex terrain of influencer selection, performance evaluation, and audience analysis. They provide invaluable insights into an influencer's reach, engagement metrics, audience demographics, and authenticity, enabling brands to make informed decisions that resonate with their target audience. By leveraging these tools effectively, brands can transcend the surface allure of an influencer's followers count and delve deeper into their relevance, credibility, and alignment with the brand's ethos and values. This meticulous curation process ensures a symbiotic partnership where the influencer seamlessly integrates their brand's narrative into their content, forging an authentic connection that resonates with their audience. In essence, the art of choosing the right influencer extends beyond mere numbers. It is a strategic fusion of data-driven decision-making and brand alignment that elevates influencer collaborations from a mere transaction to a harmonious, value-driven partnership that propels campaigns toward unparalleled success. Step number 3: A deeper dive into influencer marketing tools. In the realm of influencer marketing, the arsenal of tools available to brands acts as the compass guiding them through the intricate landscape of influencer collaborations. These tools comprise a diverse array of functionalities, each pivotal in unlocking the full potential of marketing campaigns. At the heart of this toolkit lies a multifaceted suite of analytics platforms offering in-depth insights into an influencer performance metrics. These analytics tools dissect engagement rates, audience demographics, reach, and authenticity, enabling brands to make data-driven decisions when selecting influencers. Additionally, content management tools streamline collaboration workflows, facilitating seamless communication and content creation between brands and influencers. Platforms offering influencer discovery and vetting capabilities play a pivotal role in identifying the most suitable influencers by analyzing not just their follower count, but also their relevance, credibility, and alignment with the brand's values. Moreover, tracking and performance measurement tools serve as the barometer for campaign success, allowing real-time monitoring of key performance indicators and return on investment. Audience sentiment analysis tools delve deeper into audience behavior and preferences, providing invaluable insights that aid in crafting more resonant and impactful campaigns. As the landscape of influencer marketing continues to evolve, these tools act as the linchpin, equipping brands with the means to navigate this dynamic terrain strategically. They embody not just the technology but the strategic vision that drives effective influencer collaborations, elevating campaigns from mere transactions to meaningful, resonant brand-consumer interactions that define the essence of modern marketing. Step number 4. The search engine, your first leap into the influencer world. Embarking on the captivating journey of influencer marketing starts with the fundamental step of utilizing an influencer search engine. Think of this tool as the compass guiding brands through the expansive and intricate landscape of influencers. It serves as an indispensable aid, simplifying the often daunting quest for the perfect influencers to collaborate with, thereby streamlining the process of discovery across various social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. The influencer search engine acts as a beacon, illuminating a path through the vast expanse of content creators, allowing brands to filter through demographics, engagement metrics, niche expertise, and audience authenticity. Its algorithmic prowess enables brands to pinpoint influencers whose values, style, and audience align harmoniously with the brand's ethos. This powerful tool not only accelerates the discovery phase, but also empowers brands to make informed decisions, ensuring that the chosen influencers resonate deeply with the brand's narrative and target audience. Ultimately, the influencer search engine lays the foundational cornerstone for successful collaborations, marking the pivotal entry point into the captivating universe of influencer marketing. Step number 5. Advanced filtering with search engines. Indeed, influencer search engines have evolved far beyond being simple tools. They have become sophisticated platforms offering a plethora of functionalities to streamline and enhance the process of finding the perfect influencer match. These engines present an extensive suite of features that extend well beyond basic searches, catering to the nuanced needs of brands seeking ideal collaborations. Equipped with a comprehensive array of functionalities, they empower brands by providing detailed influencer profiles, offering a holistic view of an influencer's content, engagement, audience demographics, and performance metrics. The true power lies in the advanced filtering options these platforms offer. Brands can refine their search criteria extensively, allowing for precision targeting based on niche expertise, geographical location, audience demographics, specific interest, engagement rates, past collaborations, and more. This level of granularity ensures that brands can pinpoint influencers who not only align with their brand identity, but also resonate deeply with their target audience. These advanced filtering capabilities act as a slave, sifting through the vast pool of influencers to present brands with a curated selections that meets their specific criteria and objectives. In essence, influencer search engines have transcended their initial purpose, evolving into indispensable tools that empower brands with the precision and insight necessary to forge impactful and resonant influencer partnership in the ever-expanding digital landscape. Step number 6. Influencer Relationship Management or IRM tools. In the intricate world of influencer marketing, Influencer Relationship Management or IRM tools stands as the cornerstone of successful and enduring influencer partnerships. Much akin to how a customer relationship management CRM system serves as an invaluable asset for sales teams, IRM tools are the nucleus around which influencer marketing professionals orchestrate their strategies. These sophisticated tools are designed to centralize and streamline a multitude of crucial information pertaining to influencers, past campaigns, collaborations, and communication history. By consolidating this data in a singular platform, IRM tools empower marketing professionals to efficiently manage and nurture relationships with influencers over time. These platforms offer a holistic view of an influencer's journey with the brand, including previous collaborations, content performance metrics, engagement insights, and communication logs. Through IRM tools, marketers can categorize influencers based on various criteria, such as niche expertise, audience demographics, geographic location, and campaign performance, allowing for targeted and strategic influencer selection for future initiatives. Moreover, these tools facilitate seamless communication, enabling real-time interaction, feedback sharing, content approvals, and collaboration management between brands and influencers. By leveraging the capabilities of IRM tools, influencer marketing professionals can cultivate and maintain authentic, enduring partnerships that transcend transactional collaborations, fostering trust, loyalty, and mutual growth between brands and influencers in the dynamic landscape of digital marketing. And that's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to effectively utilize influencer marketing tools for your brand part 2. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.